Hi, I'm Barrett Gray, Southwest Regional Sales Manager at BluePrint Automation. BPA has been around for 45 years and was created to develop case packing solutions for flexible bags. While that remains one of our core competencies, we've continuously innovated and expanded our solutions to become one of the worldwide leaders in solving primary and secondary packaging challenges. This year at Pack Expo, we'll be showing off a wide range of solutions. The first solution we'll have is a Spider 100V robotic carton loading system using AI vision to pick products from a pile and form a 2-flavor variety pack carton. The Spider 100V system combines multi-axis robots and state-of-the-art vision technology to handle oriented or unoriented products at high speeds. We'll also be showing off our Gantry 300 swing machine, which will pack trays of cookies horizontally and pouches of sunflower seeds vertically into cases on the same machine. This machine's flexibility is a dream for producers who must create both horizontal and vertical pack patterns, which can typically be a difficult task. Additionally, the Gantry 300 system can also load 3-sided club store trays to form a 4-sided pallet display, which can increase your throughput and potentially reduce corrugate usage and cost. Lastly, BPA will have a wraparound case packer demonstrating our ability to form cases, load cartons into cases, and finally seal cases all in one machine. This machine is fully automatic changeover for various case sizes and pack patterns. It can also run a variety of trays, tray hood combinations, wraparound cases, shelf-ready displays, and much more. Please join us in the North Building at booth N-5711 to learn more about what we do. We're looking forward to meeting with you, and we hope you have a great show.